How to give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or give Robux to your friends on an iPhone or Android phone. So if you have some extra Robux laying around and you want to give those to someone or send them to someone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that on your phone. Now, before we get too far in this video, I do want to say that Roblox does not have a built-in method to actually directly send someone Robux, so we have to use a workaround. And while this is the best workaround that I've found, it actually works, there is a 30% fee on the Roblox website to use this method. And additionally, there is no way to do this within the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android phone. We need to open up a browser, and I'll be using Google Chrome, and then navigate to roblox.com. Check the description below. I'll have a direct link down there so you can just click that. And also I'll have a detailed write-up in case you get lost. Once you get to roblox.com, before we actually log in or anything like that, select the three vertical dots to open the menu in the browser and then select the box next to desktop site. This will reload Roblox, where then we need to go up in the top right, select login, and then we can go through the process of logging into Roblox here. Once you're logged into Roblox, we need to zoom in and then open up the menu next to the Roblox logo in the top left. And in the menu, select Groups. Once the group page loads where we can see all the groups, in order to do this, we need to actually be an owner of a group. So if you don't already own a group, all you need to do is select Create Group right here. Go ahead and name your group at the top, and then anything else that is required to create your group. It does cost 100 Robux to create your group, so go through that process. Once you've created your group, all you need to do is select it in the left sidebar over here of Groups. Now that we've created our group, what we need to do is in the top menu here, select Store. Most likely you won't have any items for sale here, but if you're the owner of the group, under Store, you'll see Create or Manage Group Items. Go ahead and select that. And then once here, where it says Create a Shirt, we will need to upload a shirt. Now, it does not matter what the shirt looks like. If you have a design you want to upload, you can do that. But if you don't have a design already created of a shirt, what we need to do is you'll see right above Choose File, it says Download it here. So we can download the shirt template, and then we just need to save this image. So to save it on an Android phone, long press the image and select Download Image right here. If you're on an iPhone, you'll need to select the Share button, and then in the menu, select Save to Files. So once you've downloaded the template, go back to Create a Shirt right here, and all we need to do is select Choose File. You want to find the template we just downloaded. So for me, that's under Files, and then there it is. Select it. Where it says shirt name, we need to give that a unique name. It can't be the template name. So it can be anything. I'll just do test. Once you've renamed it, select upload for 10 Robux. So it does cost 10 Robux to actually list this shirt. So go ahead and select upload for 10 Robux. When this little confirmation window comes up asking you, are you sure you want to spend 10 Robux on this? Select confirm. And as you can see, it says shirt created successfully. And there you go. We can now see it there. Once the shirt's been successfully uploaded over here, go to the right and select the gear and then tap configure. This will bring us to configure for that shirt. In the left menu over here, select sales. Then where it says item for sale, go to the right, toggle that on, and then we just need to set a price for that shirt. And this is going to be how much we're selling that shirt for. So this can be any amount that you want to give to your friends. So for me, I'm going to do 20. Now keep in mind, Roblox does take 30%, so if I set it for 20, I can only give my friends 14 Robux. So once you've configured that price to whatever you want it to be, go to the right and select Save. All right, so it's now been updated. Now that we've set the price, go up into the left menu and select General, and then scroll to the right, and above the name, you'll see Go to Details, select that. And from here, you can see the shirt, and you can see it's listed for 20 bucks, but as you can see right there, it says Item Owned. So because I uploaded this shirt, I currently own it. So in order for us to give Robux to our friends, we need to actually buy this shirt from the group. And in order for us to be able to buy it, we need to remove the shirt from our inventory. So in order to actually delete this, if I select the three dots next to item owned right here and select delete from inventory, it doesn't seem to do anything on my phone. So try that. And if it works for you, that's great. What I found does work. In the Chrome menu at the top or the bottom of your screen, select the three vertical dots. Then scroll down and unchecked desktop site. And now this will reload the page for us, where all we need to do is again, select those three dots, select delete from inventory. And then in here, we can confirm, yes, we do want to delete it from our inventory. And then there you go, it will reload, and now we can buy the shirt. From here, go ahead and select buy, and then confirm you do want to buy the shirt. So select buy now. Purchase complete. It'll reload, and now the item is owned by us once more. From here, we need to reload the desktop version of Roblox again by selecting the 3 vertical dots in the top of Chrome there, and then scroll down and select desktop site. So now all we need to do is go back to a group that we own, and you can do that right there. Right next to item own, it says the group name. Just select the group name. This will reload the group. And then to the right of the group name, we just want to select the 3 dots right there and select configure group. Once configure group loads, in the left menu over here, select revenue, and we want to go to summary. And then as you can see, we have pending Robux of 14, and that's from the sale of the shirt that we just bought. And as you can see, these are currently pending Robux. So you can see, after a couple days, these will be released to the group, and then we'll be able to send them to our friends. Once they're released and they no longer show up under the pending Robux right there, to send those Robux to our friends, all we need to do is go back to the left menu here, select revenue, and go to payouts rather than summary. Once you're in payouts, go to the right, select one-time payout, and you'll see the funds show up here, where then if your friends are a member of the group, you'll be able to select your friend and then send them the Robux. All right, so that's how you give Robux to friends on Roblox Mobile, both iPhone and Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Robux tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.